Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mich and for today, I will be sharing my chocolate custard cake recipe. Okay? So for the ingredients ng cake, I have here all-purpose flour, Beryl's cocoa powder, my sugar, vegetable oil, egg, water, hot water ha, and then baking powder, baking soda, and my salt. Okay? And then for my custard, I have here 2 pieces egg yolks, my sugar, cornstarch, Conaprol milk, and Bravo condensed milk. Tapos, sa third layer niya, sa pinaka-top, I have the ganache recipe, the all-purpose cream, and my Beryl's dark chocolate. Okay? So, no need ng mixer, hand whisk. Let's start with the cake first. So, in your bowl, mix in your flour. Kailangan sifted si flour ha. Granulated white sugar. Then, yung baking powder and yung baking soda nyo. Okay. Tapos, salt. Set aside nyo. Tapos, yung style ko, minimix ko si cocoa powder together with my hot water. Okay. Guys, you can change the water into milk if you want, pwede yun. So, same quantity. Tapos, make a well at the center. Lagay na natin si cocoa powder with hot water. Hot water with cocoa powder. And then, you bake this one around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Huwag masyado mainit para level masyado yung tubo niya and very moist. Okay? So, after mixing, set aside mo and then prepare 9 by 2 inch baking pan. Okay? This is 9 inches diameter. Nilagyan ko ng konting shortening tapos baking paper. Okay? So, sometimes, may mga buo-buo pa rin, even if it's sifted. So, mas gusto ko siya i-sift going to my baking pan. Para sure. So, bake natin to. Mabilis lang to mabake ha. If you see, manipis lang siya. So, around mga 20 minutes or 15 minutes, check mo siya. Okay? So, while binibake natin si cake, gawin na natin si custard. Okay? So, for the custard, you need saucepan and maliit na whisk. So, mix na natin here si milk, Conaprol milk, Bravo, condensed milk. You can put vanilla extract if you want. Yung dalawang egg yolk. Si sugar. Pag nag-measure kayo or nag-prepare kayo ng egg yolk, put cover ha. Pag medyo matagalan pa yung pag-make nyo or pagluto ng custard. Or else, medyo may skin on top, nag-skin siya. Si egg yolk. Yan. Mix nyo muna here. Tapos, cook natin over low fire hanggang mag-thick. Okay? Ganito kasi. Okay? Around mga 5 minutes. Ganito na yun kasi. And then, Next, let's make chocolate ganache. So, you boil water, tapos lagay mo on top sa chocolate, melt it, and then add your cream. Make sure your cream is at room temperature, okay? Off ko na ha. Then, okay, so this is good. Done na. Palamig lang natin mga 15 minutes, okay? So, after after lumamig, bago natin i-assemble. Lamig na. Remove sa pan. So, I have here acetate. Yan. So, depende sa'yo kung gaano kataas. Okay. So, inayos ko lang yung scotch tape. Tanggalin natin doon ang gulo. This is the custard. Yan yung ibig kong sabihin dun sa cling wrap. Okay. So, pag custard, kailangan sagad sa custard. Para hindi siya mag-skin. Then, if ever medyo matigas na, pwede mo siya i-reheat. Okay. Okay, so after the custard, chill natin siya konti para mag-set. And then, let's put the chocolate ganache, okay? Make sure to clean the sides para hindi messy. So, medyo na-chill na si custard. Lagay na natin si ganache. Kailangan si ganache malamig na, but hindi pa nagsiset masyado dapat. Okay? Para mas madali nyo ihulog. And then, lagyan natin ng ribbon. If you want na smaller na ganito, pwede naman. Ano ba yan? Marunong mag-ribbon. For this recipe, you can make tatlong maninipis na 6 inches cake. Then lastly, you can drizzle some cocoa powder. Kasi 'di ba, matamis na 'to. So maganda yung may cocoa powder para mag-neutralize yung sweetness. There you go, our chocolate custard cake. 'Di ba? No need ng mixer, tapos madaling gawin. Pwede na 'to pang regalo for Christmas. Again, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell para mas updated kayo sa videos. Bye!